This video will show you how to replace the front sway bar link on a Mitsubishi Lancer. You'll have two of these, one along each side of the vehicle, located behind your front wheels. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Now the first thing we have to do is safely raise and support the front of the vehicle so the wheel's off the ground with the suspension hanging. After completing that, we're going to remove all 5 of our 21mm lug nuts and then the wheel. Now that we have the wheel out of the way, we have a clear view of our front strut and our front sway bar link. We're going to start right in this area here, dislodging the sway bar link from our front strut assembly. Now to remove this, on the sway bar link shaft itself, you're going to find a small port. We'll be using a 3/16 Allen head socket to hold the shaft, preventing it from spinning, while we use a 14mm for our mounting nut. But typically for this, I like to make sure I use penetrant. I'll use a wire brush on the threaded portion, and I'm going to use a 14mm to quickly break this free before continuing on by holding that shaft. Okay, so we can see that that's moving. It is moving the shaft as well, so we're holding that, preventing it from moving as I mentioned. Okay. Now once you have it to the point, you can remove that mounting nut. We'll pull that off of there. Slide the sway bar link out of place. Now as we follow the sway bar link down, we can see where it connects to our front sway bar next. We have the same process for the lower hardware. It's a 14mm nut. Just go ahead and clean up the threads and we'll get this out of place. We should be able to hold on to that sway bar link. Remove our hardware, remove the link. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, of course we're going to make sure we clean and inspect all mounting surfaces. As far as the sway bar link is concerned, we need to clean and inspect the sway bar itself, confirming it's not rotted, weak, or damaged. I'm going to use a wire brush, just give it a quick wipe here. We definitely want to make sure that's in good condition, as it is. We'll move along up to the mounting point on the front strut next. Now we can install our brand new front sway bar link. We're going to start down at that sway bar. We'll get this in place, carefully sliding the stud through the sway bar itself. Now on the inboard side, I have my brand new mounting nut. We're going to start that on by hand. Now once you have that started on there, we can go ahead and bottom it out, and then the torque for this is going to be 29 foot-pounds. Got my torque wrench here. Just double check that. Yep, perfect. We'll make our way up to the upper mounting point next. Now we can attach the upper portion of the sway bar link to our front strut. Slide it straight on through the rearward portion there. We'll start on that mounting nut, snug it up. The torque for that will be 29 foot-pounds. My torque wrench here. Double check to make sure that's secure. One last quick inspection in this area and we can reinstall our wheel. Now I've got the wheel back on the ground. We're going to be torquing these to 80 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner. Torqued. Okay friend, I showed you the installation of one side of your vehicle's front sway bar links. Now at this point, you want to go over to the other side of the vehicle and repeat this exact same process. You do them as a pair. After that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test and listen for any odd noises. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.